the early morning hours, and we still got some drippy weather. It's cold and it's just above freezing, so most of us are still seeing that coming down as rain, and we are seeing some mixed precipitation off to the west over toward Mariana, and points to the west across that area. As we go further into the overnight hours and into early on Wednesday morning, we could see some of that slip into our area, but really the biggest thing is going to be the temperatures. Until the temperatures drop a few more degrees, we're not going to see these, freezing rain conditions or even some snow. So it's 37 in Tallahassee right now, 34 in Quincy, 34 in Bainbridge, but look just a little further to the west. Mariana, 30 degrees, so we have what's called the freezing line right in here, and basically that separates the rain from the pure snow, and then we have some freezing rain and sleet in between, causing a bit of a mess across the Florida Panhandle this evening and into the overnight hours. Dothan has some ice and freezing rain right now, all the way down toward Bonifay, Defuniak Springs as well, and then behind that, it's snow, indicated by the blue here. Once again, right around here, we're just seeing that cold rain still sticking around. We got some bands near Apalachicola coming up from the south and southwest, and that looks like it's going to be moving over us over the next couple hours. We'll watch those temperatures and see that could produce a few sleet pellets as we go into the next several hours. And widening out the view, again, you can see just kind of this wintry mess, something that we don't see very often here, hardly ever in this part of the country. And again, here's that wintry mix getting closer, indicated by the pink, just an hour or two to our west. The wider shot shows, of course, the heavier snow in central Georgia and up toward Tennessee today, and that's caused quite a mess for Atlanta and Birmingham. Folks still in gridlock conditions there on the roadways for like the last 12 hours or so. We have a winter storm warning in effect through the morning hours on Wednesday until about 1 o'clock, and that means we just got to watch out for some ice accumulations after we get below freezing along the roadways and, say, bridges especially. That's until 1 a.m. for the region. And then when you factor in the winds, gusting at times 10, 20 miles per hour, we have a wind chill advisory. So while high temperatures tomorrow will get into the mid-30s, about where they are right now, we're going to see colder winds, and it's going to feel more like the teens and 20s. So here's the setup that we have going on. Again, we have that cold rain for now, and as we go through the overnight hours, we're going to see that changeover across our region to more of a mixed bag. So freezing rain, maybe some sleet pellets, more of the sleet, I think, as we go into the morning hours. A couple areas over toward Mariana could get some of the snow. Turns into freezing rain into the afternoon. Overall, just not a great day. Of course, FSU classes are canceled at least through noon on Wednesday. We'll see how the day progresses, as if that maybe extends through the rest of the day too. The next 24 hours goes like this. Tonight, again, temps beginning to drop. We're at 37 now, but every couple degrees matters. Tomorrow morning, not the best of conditions to go out driving, so make sure you take it easy out there and stay inside if you can. The precipitation continues, and we could see that sleet. I don't think we'll see the rain tomorrow morning. We're going to see a little bit more of a mixed precipitation. For tonight, 30 degrees. I think we'll get down to 29 in Quincy, 33 degrees in Carabel, and then tomorrow afternoon only warming up into the mid-30s. Again, that on and off shower activity, could be rain at times, could be more of the snow variety or in between, and we could see some of that rain lasting through about mid-afternoon across the region. And then it gets better after Wednesday. The sunshine comes back on Thursday. Still cold though in the morning, but look at that. By the weekend, we're back up to 70 degrees. Of course, stay tuned to FSU Weather for further updates on this winter storm moving through the region.